Hello everyone. Hello Beauty Connoisseurs. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate if you would hit the red subscription button down below and also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. In this unit right here, her name is Shakia by Bobbi Boss, and I will leave the information card right here. So today I have a unit by Vanessa hair, which I don't see enough of out there, and I really like Vanessa hair, mainly because they're unique colors. And so what I got is her name is Yogis, Y-O-G-I-S, and I got her in the color C Trifecta, which doesn't really tell you anything, but it looks like it's this really pretty color with the blonde highlights and different gradations of brown and blonde. And I thought it would be nice for the winter, and it just looks like it's just a basic, easy, everyday style. And this is the box that it came in. And I bought this from Shop Hair Wigs for $13.67. So, oh, and the color is CCOPBURN. That's what it is. So this is how it looks straight out of the package. There's your parting. It feels kind of thick up here at the top, so I don't know if that's filler hairs. You have one comb here near the part and one on the side, and the part in the back. So let's pop on Miss Yogis and see how she looks. I don't know, y'all, it's just something about it. I know it looks big, but it's just something about this color that I just love. I just love it. So it's kind of thick, but, and as far as the way the cap fits, it does fit ear to ear. I didn't adjust the straps, and it's very, very loose on my head. So I would say that you can wear this if you have a larger size head, and or if you have thick hair underneath. Big hair don't care. I like her. And it's a very, very yucky texture too. So I think, ooh, a lot of shedding. I think that's why it looks so thick too. The fibers are very, very yucky. But I love this color. I like how that falls. So let's look at it all the way around. I haven't looked at it in the back yet, but I can imagine that it's very pretty with these colors. I just love these colors. And the way they did it, the way they placed them. Yes, honey. Yes, Miss Yogis. You're doing it for me. Let me put some powder in the part. And I think that's all you need to do. I just love this right here. It's so pretty. Okay, y'all, I want y'all to get ready, get ready, get ready. Y'all not gonna be ready for me today, I'm telling you. So just hold on to your seat. I tell you? Didn't I tell you I wasn't gonna be ready? I told y'all to get ready. I told you. Don't say I didn't warn you. I said get ready, didn't I? I said it about 2 or 3 times. But you didn't believe me, did you? I bet you believe me next time. I bet you believe me next time. I got these from AliExpress, y'all. They were just too cute. Just so dainty and so feminine. Just like me. But anyway, I hope you all like this. Let me know if you all like Yogis, and if you like this color, if you like this style. What do you think? If this, you know, the hair is too big, if it's too puffy at the top. And leave your comments down below. Please like and share. Please share so I can get more views. And I thank you all for watching. Love you all. Bye.